So you can either create or upload a video on your home page or on your actual channel page. So for example, I'm on my channel page and I just switched to the home page where you see like everything. The create button is always at the top. So I'm going back to my channel page to show you how to upload the video, and you can do it from any page on YouTube. Basically, the create button is always up there. So once you're here, this is my channel. You go to create, you see a couple of options, upload video. You click on upload video, and then it's gonna take you here. You click on select, and just to note, you this is from my computer. On a mobile phone is slightly different, but it's basically the same procedure. If you want me to do the one for the mobile phone, please let me know. So you can select and from any file that you initially save the video there. I will just randomly pick a video from captures. So once I click and open the file, I just click on the video, and then it's gonna come up. I click on open. Open comes here, and it automatically starts uploading once you click on open. Okay, so then you need to put in a title. Follow and subscribe if you find this video interesting, please. And there are many other amazing videos on my channel, walkthroughs, how to do stuff, and just how to travel abroad for free. So check out my channel. I'm gonna give a brief review about that at the end of this video. And then you go to the description, you go to the thumbnail. If you have a pre-prepared thumbnail, you can upload that on your computer, or you can select what YouTube gives you. But I always recommend creating a good thumbnail because it also encourages people to watch your video. You can say if it's for kids or not for kids, and then most of the other things will be automatically tick. You can just go through it and see if it applies to you. You can add tags. Once you put a tag, you click on enter to be able to add the next tag. You just check on all these other options. You check on the category. Is it about education, entertainment? Select your appropriate category, and then you just look around and see if any of those things apply to you. If the channel has been monetized, you're going to have this option. If the channel has not yet been monetized, you're not going to see this. This is normal. You only see this if your channel has been monetized, which means you have 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 watch hours. That is when you're gonna see this particular option. Okay, so don't be bothered if you don't see this. Yeah, even the ad suitability is only when you'll be monetized. Then you normally go to video element. You're able to upload a subtitle if you want like subtitles on your video. You can add it with timing or without timing if you already have it on your computer, or you can type it manually and you see the timestamps at the side, so you can do that work. Sincerely, I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm like, you can just click on CC caption on YouTube video and watch, except it's very necessary. You can add cards. You can add like a video, previous video of yours that you want people to be able to see at the top there. I just selected on my most recent video. You can also customize the message that you want to pop up, right? If you don't want like the title, you can write something there and customize it. That's optional. And then once you do that, you click on save. Okay, I think I was typing here. Please click. Okay, you click on save, and once you save that, you can then go to import an end screen. And with an end screen, or no, I think guys, I think I went to the same video. Yeah, with an end screen, you can either be your channel and a video, but usually I just go with what YouTube recommends, right? And then I went for checks. Checks are still going on, as you can see, uploading 38%, 6 minutes left. So once that is done, it's gonna give you a tick, and then you're ready to upload. You can still upload when it's checking, but it's not going to be public. Like, people can't see it yet until the checks are over. You can either make it private, just share with a particular set of people unlisted, or just members. Like for my channel, I have like 1 member or 2 members. I can just share only with them before. Yeah, I can decide to share with every other person. You can also schedule it for a later day or later time. Like today is January 4th, I'm making this video, but you can make it to go live January 16th, which is super cool. You can create videos when you don't have time and just schedule to publish it on later dates, right? So it makes life easy. And now that is like for long videos. If you're with your phone, you can also upload shots the same way and all of that. Then I just went ahead to quickly delete this before I forget and it publishes. So I deleted this one because it was just for this video. And you can, this is how you delete if you're wondering how to delete a video, right? And then once that was all done, once you go and create again, you see that we have a couple of options. Go live. So just to show you how to go live. So once you click on that go live, it's gonna come here. And then it's going to give you these options. It's very similar to the options you have when you're trying to upload a video. If you want to put on a playlist, if you have the monetization option, you can monetize and all of that. So that is how it goes. If you're showing like a promotional content on that video, you have to click on paid promotion. And you're also able to add like tags, same way you can add them when you're uploading a normal video. And once you've gone through all of this, you see we have the monetization option, customization, where you can add a particular thumbnail, and all of that. But make sure you must add the title and description, and then visibility. This is when you click on the go live button. I was not ready to go live and go through all of this. I did not like go detailedly, but it's very similar to just uploading a video. You can also schedule a live video for a later date. So you see, you click on the schedule screen, and then it's the same thing. Basically, it's just you're selecting a later date to post that. So when you move on to visibility, it's just gonna go on that date that you chose. Okay, and then once that date reaches, you can just click on go live at the time, and then you go live. And this is one super cool thing I saw on YouTube recently. It gives you content suggestions. I don't know if it's for everybody, but I think so. Okay, then now let's go to create post. You're able to create like a post. This is also a very super cool function or feature. Let me say if you post a video, you can still create a post. It helps to reach a little bit more people. You can either add an image, you just write whatever you want to write at the top. Once you click on select, it's going to take you to your computer or your phone for you to choose from the gallery, wherever you save the image. I just randomly selected something, and that was it. I quickly deleted because I was not ready to post that. You also have an image pool where you can write different options and people choose. You can add, I think, up to 5, and you see the word limit is like that 6 letters. And then you also have a text pool where you type, you can ask your community or your channel people, your fans, questions. You can even make a quiz like, I don't know, what's the largest dam in the world? What is the largest dam in the world? Whatever you want to ask, right? And yeah, that is nice. You can even add a video, an existing video, like, okay, I'm just gonna use this opportunity to insert my most recent video I posted and tell people to please apply before the deadline. I was contemplating on what to put because I did not think about it. You get me? But yeah, so you can post like a video. It just helps with better reach. However, if you add some hashtags here just to help with reaching more people. I did not have the time to do all of that here, but yeah, just some suggestions. And with all this, following all the steps, guys, you are almost sure to get like more views and more subscriptions, especially when you also work on a good thumbnail. So once again, you go and create and choose what you want to upload. Is it a video, you want to go live, or you want to create a post? On your mobile phone, you have the option of a video, shorts, live, and creating a post. You get me? So once you click on that plus button below your phone, I'm gonna make a video on that in another video, and that should help you guys also because many people upload from their phones, especially shorts. But yeah, this is what it looks like uploading a video. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this has some amazing videos I have on my channel. Just so much content. You need to browse. I'm definitely sure you find something that will be necessary for you. So guys, thank you for watching and bye for now. Bye.